Greetings, thanks for joining me today. And this is going to be part of a series that I'm starting on my blogs regarding the best wood play kitchens for children. I had decided to get my son a wood play kitchen for his second technical Christmas, but he's a little over a year now. And while researching that, I went down the rabbit hole of looking at all of the wood toys, felt toys, metal toys, and just more natural, non-plastic toys. So this is going to be a haul of a bunch of Pottery Barn toys for the play kitchen, and then I'll do individual short little videos on packaging each and just a quick little review on those. So the one dog says hi. This is Duffy. So first I have a large box from Pottery Barn. It was almost 20 pounds when shipped. So this has a bunch of products. I hit up their Black Friday sale, so I got everything. The majority of the items about 25% off, which Pottery Barn doesn't do discounts all too often on their kitchen accessories or their play kitchen accessories. And so let's get into it. First comes all of the packaging, which I can appreciate. The majority of these toys are wood and there's some felt, so not quite worried about shattering it during shipping, but it is nice to know that they were secure and not getting rattled around. And that packaging can prevent the metal items from getting scratched. So first up is the pancake set. And this is the breakfast cooking set, so it comes with a little kitchen mitt. It comes with, that's cute, some pancakes and some strawberries. Next up is the kitchen utensils. And this is cooking tools, so it comes in a little container. It has some measuring devices and little mixers. So for Pottery Barn, I noticed that they have some of their own branded items. They also carry Happe, which is a German wood toy product, and some of their own wood toys are also branded Pottery Barn, however produced by Happe, and I'll show you some of those as we go. I'm not sure who does their branded metalwares. I don't know if it's Melissa and Doug. I can try and do some research and put that below, but I can't guarantee that I'll find the information. Anyway, this is now the mini cooking set, which also includes a little oven mitt, so now I'll have two. They match. It has the lettuce head, a stock pot, and some vegetables down in, so that's cute. Next is the pasta cooking set, which comes with, it looks like it has a strainer colander, metal colander within a stock pot, and then it has some ravioli, some bow ties, and a few utensils as if you're cutting your own pasta shapes. This is the baking set, and so it's a little 6-pan muffin tin. It also has some little cookery, like a little bun or pie pans and little loaf pans. I do believe this server, the scraper, is actually food safe. And that was one of the goals of a lot of my choices, was to get metalware that's food safe. That way my child can take them from his play kitchen to helping me in the real kitchen. And then separate than the Pottery Barn haul, I also purchased some of the core kitchenware. They're the petite scrapers and spatulas that are food safe, and so I actually got those as well to use in the play kitchen and then also in the kitchen with my son. Aha, the Pottery Barn wooden coffee maker, and this is produced by Hape, and their own line. They have a lime green one, and then they do have a white one as well that has red accessories, red trim, I believe the dial and the part where the coffee pod goes. However, the Pottery Barn branded ones are simple, minimalist. They're all white and silver, and I really enjoyed that aesthetic. So I tried to emulate what we have in our own kitchen to the child kitchen as well. So, all right. Have my receipt here. Ooh, how many items? So it says I got 22 items, which I believe. I bought multiples of the bread set, which will come up soon, and then a bunch of the smaller sets as well. So. This is similar to the breakfast pancake set. This also comes with a fry pan, but this is called the kitchen set. It has a burger, felt patty burger, felt bun, but the bun is quite dense, quite thick, and another mitt as well. This is the bread set, which I did get 2 of these. I felt like each of these, having only 1 of each, I wanted to have duplicates, as these will be very common, but 3 loaves of bread, well, 2 loaves of bread and perhaps a bun or a baguette, a loaf of bread. And it's called the Artisan bread set, a 3-piece. So I got 2 of those. Hi, Baxter. You want to say hi? I've got the video going. Next up is the kitchen fried chicken and waffle set, and this is adorable. It comes with 2 waffle pieces, maple syrup, and then 2 chicken fried chicken breasts, and this is absolutely adorable. And anyone who has either traveled the South, grew up in the South, or just enjoyed a very hearty breakfast. I had some the other day with a girlfriend. We were down in Dallas, and there was a diner called the Maple Leaf Diner, founded from a family up in Canada, and I had their signature chicken and bacon and waffles, and so this is just delicious. I hope my kid enjoys this one. For my crunchy parents, health conscious avocado toast. This is so cute. It has sliced pieces of avocado, 2 fried eggs, and then some toast. When I was purchasing, I did get for the appliances, I got the coffee maker. However, they were sold out of the toaster as well as the mixer. And so I really want to keep my eye on those on the Pottery Barn website. Hape does also produce those, the toaster. There's actually a waffle maker as well, a toaster, waffle maker, and mixer that I can get on Amazon, but I really wanted the simplistic colors that Pottery Barn carries. If I can't get them, I will get the white ones on Amazon with the red accessory and probably just hand paint those with child safe paint. So again, this is the coffee maker, and I'd like for it to match all of them to match. They need to. Next is the cupcake set from Pottery Barn. And so it has 4 little cupcakes, and I believe these come out. It has a little muffin tin, a mixing, and then again a measuring cup. So that'll be, it looks like a few extra accessories, a spatula and a mixer as well. So that will be cute to pretend bake with my son. These are adorable. I can't tell if these milk bottles are actually by Hape or not, as Hape doesn't carry their own milk bottle similar to this, or at least that I'm unaware of, that I haven't found on the Hape website or on the Amazon inventory of Hape products. But this is 4 little milk bottles that has a little cow printed on it. All right, mystery box. Let's see what we got. It's not the the coffee pot. I've already opened that one. Let's see what this is. All right. This makes sense. It's one of the wood crates to protect the wood. Not that you necessarily need, but I can appreciate the concern with packaging. All right. So this is the Veggie Garden Set. It's a wood crate with an internal felt organizer for the veggies. And it looks like there's carrots, tomatoes, radishes perhaps, and strawberries maybe down in there. But this is an 11-piece set. I think I only ordered one of these, and then I also ordered a little metal basket. Until I assemble our play kitchen and play fridge, I didn't want to commit to too many of the crates or the Melissa & Doug 4-piece crate set, because I want to see the internal dimensions and how I can organize the play food within, and then I'll probably get a few more, either ones of these, the Melissa & Doug 4-piece. It's the dairy, veggie, and bread set, I believe, but this is the Kitchen Collection Veggie Garden Set. All right. Looks nice and durable. There is a split between the two pieces down here, but it looks secure still, and maybe just a little bit extra wood glue. I did just feature this a little bit. This is the veggie basket. It's the metal veggie basket, and the handles do come up. It has carrots, mushroom, lettuce. Then it also has a few beverages for the refrigerator. It has milk, orange juice, and then some chocolate nuts, which mommy will eat those and not share with baby. I'll pretend to eat those. So that's really cute. And a little metal basket as well. Next up is the William and Sonoma Pottery Barn Kids Fruit and Cheese. Pardon. I can't recall if this one was actually by Hape or if this was by one of the other brands that they have manufacture for them as well. But it says the Fruit and Cheese Gift Crate. It's a 12-piece. It had different types of artisanal cheese. I see some blue cheese in there, a knife to cut. It's just adorable. Next up is the Spaghetti Dinner. Let's see if I can open this one. I'll actually do this for an unboxing, but you can see all the spaghetti. That's cute. Oh, my child loves spaghetti. Yeah, that's just, well, that is spaghetti. All right, next up is a little 6-piece of eggs. It's wooden eggs that separate, and it's got a little crate for them as well. I did get a cutting set, and I do believe this is rebranded from Hape. I can try and compare the Hape one versus the Pottery Barn if the makeup is different, and the reason I say that is there's a price difference. The Pottery Barn ones are a little bit more expensive, which makes sense. We parents that enjoy Pottery Barn do see the increased price, and typically you assume that's with the quality, which I agree it is, but sometimes it's in their exclusivity of their coloring. So I don't think this one, from my research, had a different makeup of what is included, but I will link that below and put a little comment of the difference if there is any. So yeah, it comes with a knife, an orange, kiwi, lemon, some strawberries, and a melon and a banana. That's adorable. So, and the crate to organize. So I'll use that on the interior of the fridge as well, fridge or pantry. And lastly, I have the other cutting set, Cutting Food by Pottery Barn Kids. It says over 25 hand-painted wood pieces, made in China. I believe this one is also Hape. Oh, this one's Melissa & Doug. I stand corrected. As is the fruit cutting board. That's not a Hape product. That's a Melissa & Doug. So I will still see if there's actually a difference between the Pottery Barn branded ones or the traditional Melissa & Doug ones. So this is the bread watermelon. Oh, good Lord. Is that a cucumber? Some bread, some toast, an apple, and then perhaps a pepper or another apple back there, and then a carrot, and the knife as well. This one does have a cutting board. I'm not sure if the fruit one does as well or not. All right. And then lastly, not included in this is I also ordered the white shopping cart. that Pottery Barn carries on their website. I was fortunate to hit up the Black Friday sale, so I did get a significant discount on all of these products, and they have a ton more on their website. They have more metalware, they have more felt food, they have plastic accessories if you don't want the wooden products, if you're concerned about your children throwing it in the weight. They have, I do believe they have like a copper kitchen set, which is adorable. And so Pottery Barn has an amazing all-in-one stop shopping for kids play kitchen accessories. I will do quick little videos of each of these unpacking and post those individually. I'm not going to group them into this video. If you have any questions, let me know, post them below. I will also put a link to my blog and my blog series that I'm starting. Please be kind. I'm a new blogger, new writer, and most of it is coming out of my own research for products for my child, as well as my return to work postpartum and just adjusting to life as a working mother, pumping mother, nursing mother, and whatnot. I don't plan to solely focus on children products, but I'll go where the wind blows me, and whatever questions or posts you would like, let me know, and I'll try and blog on those. So thanks for joining today.